Goldfish. They're great first pets, and a great addition for experienced fish keepers too. They can live for many years, have been known to show unique personalities, and can memorize faces. Goldfish also love to eat, which means more waste. Some goldfish can also grow to be over a foot long, so the more space, the better. Goldfish also come in a stunning variety of colors, shapes, sizes, and fin types. These playful little pets are loved by both new and seasoned hobbyists. And to make it easier for fans to enjoy them even more, Tetra has developed a whole new path to success. Introducing the Tetra Goldfish Program. Our new program delivers fresh, new content and informative videos to help goldfish owners learn more about the fish they love. The new program also gets them started successfully on their journey with new kits appropriately sized to meet the needs of goldfish, as well as a step-by-step how-to video to help them get set up. The kits also include free food and water care samples that are designed specifically for goldfish and will help owners identify the products they need when shopping for supplies. With our new Goldfish program, Tetra is simplifying the aquatic experience, one species at a time.